I do spend a lot of time at my local shelter. I visit dogs, I assess, I network them to rescues. The world is such a better place with them in it. I want to save as many as possible. The drive back home, leaving the city behind, I feel I can breathe a little easier. I can read animals, I'm good with dogs, I am not good with people. So I'm grateful to head up the hill where I'm surrounded by so many trees and these cows. You'll see a little baby bull come up. I love being surrounded by all this. Grateful does not even begin to describe what it feels like to see this view. Even though there are chores waiting for me like this, I don't have a fridge. I do have a cooler, rotomolded cooler, which keeps ice longer. And that's my little travel cooler just for bringing the ice up. But I do catch the water because I want to reuse it. Hi, Argus. I don't want to just throw it away. And so I use it for this. That's baking soda. That's vinegar. Then I'll add the water and some soap. And throughout the day for my dog that's incontinent, I throw his reusable used belly bands in there until I have enough to do a load, or wash a load, and then I just hang them all up. Those are his belly bands and the pads that I made to go with it. And my favorite spot here, oh look! I must have startled a squirrel that was eating his acorn. What a perfect spot for him to have his little lunch or his little snack. I like having my snacks out here also. But it's time to bathe some dogs before it gets too cold. Good boy. Good job. My big boy here takes medicated baths. He has cancer. His immune system's pretty shot. So he gets a lot of skin irritations as well. But look at how absolutely wonderful he is. This boy, he grabbed hold of his second chance, and I just love him. Everyone's dried off, relaxing before the sun goes down, and it gets really, really chilly up here now when it does. He came back for his little acorn. I'm glad I left it there for him. Although I'm sure he's scurrying and picking up others, but at least that one he could come right back to. Quick potty break before dinner. Come on. I know, it's cold, huh? A lot of my seniors don't have teeth, so I make them homemade soft food. And then of course it's time for my dinner. So I always make tortilla dough. Always have it on hand. Tofu scramble with cabbage and avocado on the side. So I couldn't find rescue for these two. I couldn't leave them. I didn't want them separated. So I ended up bringing them home. 13 and 15 years old. I think they're happy that they get to stay together for whatever time they have left.